Hi friends, welcome to a very sunny Sunday of this week. And today we are going to discuss about how to completely delete a subdomain in Webspacekit after the creation of the subdomain. So let's dive into the topic without any delay. First, log into your Webspacekit account with your email address and password. Once you log in, you get into the dashboard of the Webspacekit. So this is the dashboard of the Webspacekit. Slowly scroll down. First we will create a subdomain. For that, in this Arna World is the main domain which I have purchased. In that, click on manage. When you scroll down, you can see Arna World. Click on manage. Once you click on manage, you will reach to this page. Scroll down slowly. You can see control panel. Either you can use control panel over here or you can select control panel from here. Both are same only. It redirects to the same page only. So time being, I'll take control panel from here. Once you take the control panel, it will open up a page like this. So slowly come down. You can see domains written. Click on domains and inside that you can see another domain written. Click on domains once again. So you will see a page like this, and if I want to explain about main domain and subdomain and all, you can see arnaworld.com is the main domain here, and all others, and as you can see that it is mentioned as main domain, and all others are subdomains. As if I say aruna.arnaworld.com is a subdomain. Why? Because arnaworld.com is the main domain, and whatever word or the three letter character comes in a front with a dot, it is called as a subdomain. Subdomain is nothing but a branch of the main domain, but please note friends, this subdomain is considered as a total different website by the Google. Even though it is a branch of the main domain, it's considered as the different website by the Google. So literally everything you have to see like you have got a new website. So here if you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subdomains already created, and Webspacekit provide 10 subdomains by this time for each and every main domain we purchase. So let's now see how to create a subdomain, and let's today's main topic is to delete a subdomain, how it's done. So let's go ahead and create a subdomain first, and we can delete that subdomain. For that, scroll up. You can see a button here written as create a new domain. Click on create a new domain. It will load up a page like this. So what you can do is, you can type your subdomain name over here as it is explained over here. Any subdomain names comes with a word or 3 character word minimum, which starts with any name as you like, and rest should be the main domain name. Here we can say that Aruna World is the main domain. So we can create a subdomain called demo. So I am putting a subdomain like demo. Demo is my subdomain name, and I am putting like demo.arunaworld.com, where demo is the subdomain which is coming from the main domain called Aruna World. So once that is written, what you can do is, please note, never check this, just directly click on submit. So now the subdomain creation is going on. It will take less than a minute only. By that time you can see a success green button over here showing that the subdomain has been created, named demo.arnaworld.com. See, you can see you have successfully created new demo.arnaworld.com. It's been displayed. And if you scroll down, you can see this is the new subdomain which we created right now, and I can show you now it has become 7 subdomains. Earlier it was 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is the new subdomain which is created, and as per you create, it comes in alphabetical order. It's nothing like main domain will be written on first. It always shows in alphabetical order. Now subdomain is created, but the thing is like the SSL certificate is not activated. I'll be showing that. So let's go a little bit faster because this is already discussed in the previous video. So go to WordPress manager. We have to install WordPress. So click on install. Select the particular subdomain where you want to install the WordPress. For that, here we have demo.arnaworld.com, which is already created. Click on that, and as I said, this is a special thing you have to do in Webspacekit, or else the WordPress won't install. First you have to downgrade it to 5.7 level, and for this particular subdomain, if you notice, things to be noted guys, when I change this, it's changed to again back to main domain. So please note that if you click on install, again the WordPress will start installing on the main domain where already the WordPress is installed. It will be totally wrong, and it will show like the WordPress is already installed. So when you make some changes, please cross check that here also it's changed. So click back to the demo.arnaworld.com, and for this particular subdomain we are gonna put the admin username and admin password. That is, admin we'll put it as admin itself, and password I am giving it less admin admin @123 @. This is the password which I am gonna give, and please note that when you put the password should be at least 65 giving score. If you go below that, if you create a subdomain also, it won't get created. It will show that the password is not protective enough. So try to make it 65, and try to give a capital letter, small letters, special character symbol, and some numbers. That's the way you have to create. And now we are putting the main email, that is the email which you purchase this main domain, that email you have to put. This is also called as the administrative mail. So I have put the administrative email over here, and next step is click on install. And let me tell you friends, right now the installation of 5.7.11 update of the WordPress is taking place, that which is pretty old, but this is how it works. You can click on the install button. Now you can see that the old version is being installed on the subdomain of domain.arnaworld.com. Let's wait for some time. It won't take less than 1 minute. Yeah, so it's done. Now what you can do is, the next step is to upgrade it, because we have downgraded it first and installed. That's the way you do in Webspacekit. If you directly upgrade the WordPress to 6.4.3 directly, if you do the install, it will never happen. That's the tip here. So first you downgrade it to the last version, and then upgrade it to the latest version. So after that, click on this button, return to WordPress management button, click on that. So now it will redirect to the page like this, which will show like the version now installed is 5.7.11. What you can do is, you can click on the upgrade now button. So I am clicking on the upgrade now button. Now it shows to select, mostly defaultly it will be selected the upgraded version. There are other versions also, but select the first version itself. Don't make any changes, don't check on anything, just move down, click on upgrade button once again. So now from the lowest version of 5 point etc will be changed into the new upgraded version. and as you can see the message has come like congratulations, the software has upgraded successfully. Now what to do next? Now the next thing is that we have to cross check whether the subdomain is active or not. For that we are directly going to click on this demo.arnaworld.com just to see that it is working. See, as you can see, demo.arnaworld.com is active right now. And in order, if you want to go to the WordPress backend of the demo.arnaworld.com, just type wp admin. So it will redirect to a page where you can type in your username and password. As you remember, I have given the username as admin, and password which I have given was, in order to show I am just opening the I, so you can see admin @123 @. This is the one which I have given. Close it. If it's in your computer, you can click on remember me, so that computer will automatically detect. If you don't click also, it's fine, just you have to type it again, that's it. Click on login, and now it will redirect to the WordPress backend where you can start editing. So let's see that. As you can see, it will ask if you want to save the password. Once again, in the Google passwords, if you want, you can click on save, or else you can click on never, and right now I am clicking on never. If you open this, you can see same password has been taken by Google. Click on never, and you can start designing from here. Now the main thing is that how to delete this subdomain. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going back to the cPanel once again. When the cPanel loads, click on inside domains, click on domains, and you can see the new demo.arnaworld.com has been added. Can you see? Demo.arnaworld.com is added. And next thing what we can do is, if you want to install WordPress into this, I have told it in the previous video how to install WordPress, so I am not going to show it here. Now we are directly going to delete this domain. As you see the domain is already installed. So the thing is like, I am going to delete this subdomain. In order that, click on manage of this particular one. Click on manage. Once you click on manage, it will redirect to you to this page. Cross check whether you have clicked the right subdomain. Then it's an easy process. Click on remove subdomain. It will ask for confirmation, because once you remove, you won't get anything back. Why? Because if you have designed something inside, you won't literally get it back unless and until it is backed up. So now we have not taken any backup or we have not designed anything, so we are right now removing it to show the removal process. Click on it. It will take less than 1 minute only. You have to wait. And once this is going on, don't click on anything. You have to literally wait. And you can see a success green symbol which is coming over here, showing that system is removed. The demo.arnaworld.com subdomain has been removed. Now what is next? Let's cross check here whether arnaworld.com subdomain is here, but it's not there, which from where we can understand it's totally removed. Now click on WordPress manager. So we came to this page. Now we can see that whether the demo.arnaworld is available here also. Of course it will be available here also. Let's see. See, it's here, demo.arnaworld.com. This is not in alphabetical order, guys. It's according to which you add the subdomains, it will be shown. So what you can do is, over here, move here, click on this arrow, that is the drop down, scroll totally down. You can see restore, backup, all these options. Click on remove. If you click on uninstall, the database only will be uninstalled. It's like delete folders, files and folders of the database of this installation. So you can either do it directly like this, okay, or you can remove. Click on remove. and it will show a confirmation page showing that all these things will be removed. Click on remove installation, click on OK, and you can see the installation has been removed. Now let us return to the WordPress management by clicking this button, and you can see demo.arnaworld.com is totally removed from the system. And friends, this is how you delete demo.arnaworld or any subdomain which is created on the Webspacekit. So we can just cross check it here whether it's still available or not. We are putting like demo.arnaworld.com. We are not putting WP admin and all. We are just cross checking whether it's available or not. See, as you can see, it's not available. It's showing that it's not available. All these things comes when the domain is not available. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was very enjoyable for you to go through, and I made it as easy as possible. So we can see with a new topic tomorrow, guys. Till then, this is Bryce signing off on behalf of HBNet agency. Thank you, bye, and have a great day. And let's see on tomorrow with a new weekend with a new topic. Bye.